Check and action.
Welcome back to the second episode of That's Pretty Neat Nature Hike, Adventure 2.
Adventure 2, episode 2.
This trail hike. This is not a trail. This is a real deal wood.
Oh my gosh, is that a Native American camp? Let's discover it.
Check it out.
Come this way, or not.
A trail to it.
What else?
What? Is this a cup?
A cup. It's a map. It's a map. It's a map. It tells us south. No, east. This way. South. No, east. The bridge. Follow me. Sorry. Sorry. This is a tree.
On the-
Very calm. Okay.
Here's another Native American. Watch your step. It's very, very dangerous down here.
Cameraman's gonna fall.
This time of the day. Get this on film. This is an ancient tennis ball. It's
He used to play with it.
It's very rare around
It
these
says Wilson,
parts.
you guys.
It's very rare around these parts.
Very rare.
Their chief was named Wilson.
Oh my gosh, look at this well-constructed bridge.
Look at this rushing river that can
River.
take you away with it. This is very dangerous. You can better not get in this river. It will take you away.
Be careful. I can feel it shaking.
And they're freaks. Okay.
I think it's from Native American times.
This isn't a bench. This is a bench.
So weird. Take a good clip of that.
Stunned by the stupidity.
It's an ancient bush.
They call it
In the era 1635.
.2.
They call it yellow leaf.
Yellow leaf in the
Oh my gosh, look at this ancient golf course. Whoa! How neat is that? That is so neat.
So neat.
You guys,
Tell me.
I found another ancient bridge.
We're not supposed to be on this part.
What? What hotel?
Continuing on.
You have to be quiet. You have to be, you have to be quiet because there could be squirrels with rabies. Squirrel that will attack.
Rabid squirrels?
And chipmunks
How
and bugs.
neat
Oh
is
my.
that?
Squirrels and chipmunks and bugs. Oh my.
Another raging river that is not.
That is dried
that
up.
has not yet reached, but will in time.
The capacity of this bridge is one person. Ah! And what?
Is where they used to chop people's heads off. They would stand up here, a rope would come through there, and something else would happen.
And then to get up.
And also, if you're an idiot, use it as a diving board.
Okay.
Right into this rushing
Guys, should we start heading back because it's 11?
Heading back to where? We're stranded. In the woods with a golf course. Golf course.
J3,
no food or no water.
Let's take them back to our teepee that we learned.
Oh, yes.
Wait, you guys stop. And that is the conclusion of video 2. We'll take you back on a journey back to the camp.